Hello children, welcome back to my channel Enjoy Learning with Bhavna. Today we will be doing exercise 6.1 of lines and angles for class 9th. Let's continue. Question number 4 is, in figure 6.16, if x plus y equals w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So in this question, you know that measure of an angle at the point is 360 degree. Yes, measure at this point it is 360 degree. So therefore you can say x plus y plus z plus w equals 360 degree. Yes, x plus y equals w plus z. This is given. Okay, so you can say x plus y, and instead of z plus w you can write x plus y. Yes, so you can write 2 times x plus y is 360 degree, or x plus y equals 360 degree upon 2, or x plus y equals 180 degree. Now here you can see if x plus y it is 180 degree, that means since x plus y is 180 degree, therefore you can say AOB is a line, or you can say AOB is a straight line, since it is forming a linear pair. Okay, so in this way you can do it. Now come to question number 5. In figure 6.17, POQ is a line. This one is POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. That means this angle is 90 degree. OS is another line between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equals half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So now in this question what they are saying, first of all they have given angle, this one ROQ, it is 90 degree. Okay, and you can see over here that is angle POS plus angle SOR or ROS plus angle this ROQ equals 180 degree. Yes, since you know straight line, since straight line makes an angle of 180 degree. So you can see over here that is angle POS plus angle ROS plus angle ROQ is given to be 90 degree equals 180 degree, or you can write angle POS plus angle ROS equals 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Yes, so this is your first equation. Then you can say, you can also write like this, angle ROQ plus angle this one is ROS equals angle this SOQ. Yes, now ROQ it is given to be 90 degree. So 90 degree plus angle ROS equals angle SOQ. Or you can write it like this, angle ROS equals angle SOQ minus 90 degree. Yes. Now here you can see, or you can write this equation as angle ROS equals 90 degree minus angle POS. Yes. So take this to be equation second. Now from equation 1 and second, from equation 1 and 2, just add it. Okay, add it. On adding, what will happen? That is twice angle ROS equals 90 degree minus angle POS plus angle SOQ minus 90 degree. So this will be cancelled and you will be getting angle ROS equals, you can write 2 will be going downwards, so you can write like this, angle SOQ minus angle POS. Okay, so or you can write it like this, angle ROS equals half angle QOS minus angle POS. So in this way you can solve it. It is given that angle XYZ equals 64 degree. So question number 6 is, it is given that angle XYZ equals 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Now what they are saying, they have given a line XY and it is produced to point P. Draw figure from the given information. If ray YQ by 6, angle ZYP. Now first of all, the angle was given XYZ to be 64 degree. Z will be over here. So XYZ, this is given to be 64 degree. Okay. And they are saying if ray YQ is there, one ray YQ is over here and it bisects angle ZYP. Okay. So it is bisecting. If we are taking this angle to be X, then this will be also X. So you have to calculate, find angle XYQ, this one XYQ, and reflex angle QYP. That means this much. Okay. So first of all, they have given angle XYZ is 64 degree. Yes. And we let angle, this is ZYQ equals angle QYP equals X. Okay, we have assumed it to be X. Okay, then you can say, therefore, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equals 180 degree. Yes, since you know straight line makes an angle of 180 degree. Okay, since straight line makes an angle of 180 degree. Okay, now from here you can see over here, that is angle XYZ, it is 64 degree, and this we have taken X plus X, it is 180 degree. So 64 degree plus 2X is 180 degree, or you can say 2X is 180 degree minus 64 degree. Yes, so which implies, or you can say 2X is 116 degree, or you can say x is 116 upon 2 degree, that is 2. It is 58 degree. Okay, now what they're saying, find angle XYQ. Now angle XYQ, XYQ means 64 plus x. Okay, 64 degree plus x degree, then 64 degree plus x degree is your 58 degree. That means it is 122 degree. Okay, then they are asking for reflex angle QYP. Then reflex angle QYP, it will be, this angle QYP will be 360 degree minus angle QYP. So 360 minus QYP is x, and x is your 58 degree. So it will be, reflex angle will be 302 degree. Okay. So in this way you can do it. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhakti.